You are lying to yourself every single morning. That $6 cup of coffee you blindly reach for to wake up, it is a biological hand grenade to your digestive system, and the exact reason your brain feels like a foggy, anxious mess by 2 p.m. You've been conditioned to believe that exhaustion is normal, that bloating is just something you live with, and that mental friction is just part of being an adult. But what if I told you that 5,000 years ago, ancient scholars in the Indus Valley had already solved the modern epidemic of gut inflammation and brain fog? They didn't have supplements and they didn't have espresso. They had a precise, uncompromising chronological sequence. Stop everything you are doing and listen to me. Your gut and your brain are not separate entities. They are physically wired together by the vagus nerve. When you wake up and instantly flood your system with caffeine, sugar, and blue light, you trigger a cortisol avalanche. Your digestion shuts down, your anxiety spikes. But there is a back door to hacking this system, a protocol so precise that modern neuroscientists are only just now understanding its mechanical perfection. It's called Dinacharya, the ancient Vedic daily routine. Today, you are going to learn the exact non-negotiable steps of the Vedic morning routine that will permanently recalibrate your digestion and unlock a level of mental clarity you didn't know you were capable of. The bio-clock hack, or Brahma Muhurta. To fix your gut, we have to fix your timing. The Vedas mandate waking up approximately 90 minutes before sunrise. Why? Because you are fundamentally a solar-powered organism. This isn't spiritual fluff. This is circadian biology. At this specific hour, the Earth's electromagnetic field shifts. The environment is dominated by what Ayurveda calls vata, the energy of movement and clarity. By forcing your eyes open in this window, you catch the natural wave of atmospheric oxygen and atmospheric stillness. If you wake up after the sun has risen, you are dragging yourself into the kapha cycle, the energy of heaviness, lethargy, and stagnation. That sluggish feeling that takes 3 coffees to cure, that is you waking up out of biological sync. But waking up early is useless if you don't instantly purge the poison, the microbiome purge. Do not swallow your saliva when you wake up. During the night, while your brain was flushing out amyloid plaques, your digestive system was hard at work pushing out metabolic waste, known in Ayurveda as ama. Where does it go? Straight to your tongue. That white, fuzzy coating on your tongue every morning, that is a literal layer of toxic, undigested metabolic garbage. When you wake up and immediately chug water, you are flushing pure toxins right back into the pristine digestive tract you just spent 8 hours cleaning. The solution? Jiha Nirlakana, tongue scraping. You take a U-shaped copper or stainless steel scraper, place it at the back of your tongue, and gently pull forward, 7 to 10 times. Copper is naturally antimicrobial. In just 30 seconds, you are mechanically removing bacterial load, dead cells, and ama. This single action stimulates the internal organs connected to the taste buds, sending a signal down the vagus nerve to jumpstart your digestive tract. Follow this immediately with gandusha, or oil pulling, swishing a tablespoon of warm cured sesame oil in your mouth for 10 minutes. The lipids in the oil bind to the lipid membranes of the bacteria in your mouth, literally pulling the neurotoxins out of your oral cavity before they can cross the blood-brain barrier. Igniting the fire, Ushapan. Now that the oral cavity is sterilized, you must turn on the engine, but the engine is cold. Imagine throwing a bucket of ice water on a delicate, flickering campfire. It would instantly die. That is exactly what you do when you drink ice water in the morning. Your digestive fire, your Agni, is fragile after sleep. You need warmth. The Vedic text instruct drinking 16 to 20 ounces of warm water. Not hot, not cold, warm. Why? Because warm water acts as a vasodilator. It expands the blood vessels in your gastrointestinal tract, gently waking up the peristalsis, the muscle contractions of your gut, flushing out the stagnant overnight lymph, and preparing the stomach lining for the day's intake. The lymphatic flush. This is the secret weapon of high performers that the West entirely ignored. Abhyanga, the practice of self-massage with warm, herb-infused oil before bathing. Your lymphatic system is the garbage disposal of your body, but unlike your blood, it doesn't have a pump. It relies on movement and manual manipulation. By taking 5 minutes to vigorously rub warm oil into your skin, starting from the extremities and moving towards your heart, you are manually draining the lymphatic fluid, but more importantly, you're saturating the largest organ of your body, your skin, with heavy, grounding lipids. This instantly pacifies the nervous system, signaling to your brain that you are safe, blocking the frantic, anxious morning cortisol rush. Prana, the breath of life. You've cleaned the machine, you've started the engine, now you must provide the oxygen. Most people chest breathe. It is shallow, frantic, and locks the body in a permanent state of fight or flight. This chronic stress absolutely destroys your gut microbiome. The Vedic routine finishes with pranayama, strategic breath work. Nadi Shodhana. By artificially manipulating the airflow through the left and right nostrils, you are directly syncing the left and right hemispheres of the brain. You drop your brain waves from high-stress beta into a calm, hyper-focused alpha state. Your digestion is optimized because your body is finally resting in the parasympathetic nervous system. This is not just a morning routine. This is a fortress. By executing these precise, ancient steps, waking before the sun, purging the toxins, igniting the fire with warm water, grounding the nervous system with oil, and balancing the brain with breath, you have completely shielded yourself from modern biological chaos. Your digestion will become a furnace, effortlessly extracting nutrients. Your mind will become a laser, unclouded by the inflammatory cytokines that cause brain fog. You have merged 5,000 years of empirical wisdom with the absolute cutting edge of neurobiology. But mastering your morning is half the battle. If you ruin your evening, the morning routine cannot save you. The way you shut down your nervous system at night dictates exactly how much ama, how much toxic sludge, your body produces while you sleep. I have broken down the precise Vedic evening routine, the ultimate protocol for deep regenerative REM sleep and cellular repair. Click the video on the screen right now to complete the cycle and bulletproof your biology permanently. Do not let another night go to waste. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next phase of your biological evolution.